Namaste. It's Neelam, your English trainer from Vibedu. This is part 2 about prefix and suffix. In this video, I am going to give explanation about special prefixes. So let's have a look on list and let's understand them. First is ambi. Ambi is of both sides. As an example, I can say ambivalent. Next is ante. Ante is before, old. For that, I would like to give example antediluvian. Aqua. Next word is aqua. Aqua is all about water. So we can say aquatic, aquarium. Next word is bene. Bene is good. So our most favorite word, benefit. Bio. Bio is all about life. So biology, biography. Next word is circum. Circum is around. Examples are circumvent, circumference. Next word is contra. Contra is opposite, exact opposite. So we can say contradictory is an example. Next word is fore. Fore is previously. So we can say forbearance, forecast. Next word is homo. Homo is same on both the sides. So we can say homologous, homogeneous. Next words are intra or intro. That means something inside or something within. For example, we can say intramural or introvert. Next word is junct. Junct means joining, connecting. For example, we can say junction or juncture. Next and last word is the most used word, trans. Trans is something beyond. For examples, we can say as a transfer, transmit, transaction, transport. So these were special prefixes. In next video, we will be talking about basic suffixes and then special suffixes. So don't forget to watch all these 4 parts and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.